Be strong.
Hey guys, welcome back to Happy Life Easy and Simple Crochet Lesson 5. In this video, we will be learning how to make the second row. So to make the second row, I've taken this double crochet. First, make 2 chains, 1 and 2. Then flip it, yarn over, work it on the first stitch. See, you can see the first stitch. Work it through like this. You can see, and yarn over, pull through 2 and 2. Again, yarn over and 2. Yarn over. Whenever you do your second row, you have to work it inside this chain like this, under this chain. It is different from when you make the first stitch. So we'll continue till the last stitch. I am in the last stitch. Yarn over. You can see the last stitch you have made. Through 2 and through. So this is your second row. I will show you how to continue it again. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Make 2 chains, then flip it. Yarn over, then work it on the first chain, on the same chain, like this. Yarn over, pull through, put through. So you continue doing that. So again, I am in the last chain. See, you can see the last chain here. Yarn over, so your second row is also done. So whenever you start your next row, start from your first stitch, so that you can keep the edges straight. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section. So thank you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.